Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clean storage on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on about phone. Now from here, just tap on storage. Now from here, scroll down and you can find the free up button. Now currently we can free up to 1.2 gigabytes. Just tap on it. Now from here, tap on clean up to 1.5 gigabytes. Now it will clean the cache files and all the unnecessary files on your smartphone, and it will free space from your storage. Now from here, scroll down and tap on deep clean. Now from here you can see the amount of files you have on your smartphone. Just open each folder and delete any data you no longer need. For an example, we will open this folder. Now from here, you can delete any APK you are no longer using. Just tap on it. Now from here, just tap on clear. Now from here, tap on OK. Just like that. Now from here, you can go to videos and delete all the videos you no longer need. Just like that. Now once you have done that, go back and do the same on all these folders. Now from here, once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the security app. Now from here, tap on optimize. Now from here, once you have done that, go back. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the app drawer and delete any apps you no longer need. Just like that. And this is how you can clean storage on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.